What's motherfucking good? It's Flint the motherfucking Hustler in the building. You know I ain't did this shit in a motherfucking while. I'm back on my live podcast shit. For everybody who was hating on me while I was gone, I know it's been so long, but guess what, bitch? I'm still on. Hey, peep this shit, right? This is DHE, the Hustler Entertainment, Flint the Hustler. How that sound show number one. Right here, you feel me? And what I'm going to do, let me tell y'all what I'm going to do real quick, because I'm going to play some music, each track, one at a time, and between each song, I'm going to talk my shit, you feel me? And then I'm going to play another one. And then after that song done, I'm going to talk my shit. And then I'm going to play another one, you feel me? So on and so on. And what I want y'all to do is sit the fuck down, pay attention, and listen to the motherfucking song and tell me how the fuck do it sound. You feel me? How that sound. That's what we gonna do. You feel me? And we gonna start this motherfucker off with one of these tracks like right here, right motherfucking now. Flint the Hustler featuring some.
Yeah, bro. Nah, I don't know what was wrong with the nigga lip, man. He said he ate something bad at the house, man. I'm just saying when I seen him at the hospital, it was swollen up like it was wobble up. I ain't know what was that, but listen, we gonna get back to that, man. Hey, y'all. This the Smoking with Flint show. SKBKA bird flu, man. Avian influenza, you know what it is, though, man. This to take over the COVID situation is, you feel what I'm saying? Got my man's a little out of control right now, so I'm here to keep y'all in tune and keep the tunes in tune. That's what we got going on. So right now, I'm finna drop this new joint. You feel what I'm saying? My man Flint the Hustler, Simone the Lyricist. And hopefully, we gonna get Flint back on the air with me. We gonna talk that shit after we play this track. Mileage.
Hey.
Rick. And that is on the beat.
I'm on the motherfucking lyrics. Riding around with them big bags. Big bags. Riding around with them big bags. Not just see cash. Pills, Reggie, and a loud gas. Got promo packs. I should be holding the whole class. Can't tell these bitches shit. All they wanna do is shake ass. They moving off a motive, but money ain't in they sight. Hey, how I'm moving so fast. They wish ill on my life. Just know I'm more good than you think. If you still gon' have to pay the price, is it worth you leaving your kids? Cause you like my hustle and grind. You want the fame and the shine. I want new checking designs. I see my name in the lights, but spread my knowledge and pride. Learn how to follow my mind. So deep that you gotta unwind. But y'all so focused on the hate, you stand sideline and despise. I pray we all can excel. Off the same plate, none of my niggas in jail. Everybody jugging, getting to it, that money that come in the mail. I just wanna be a big influence, so that my kids have a story to tell. They say my mom was a beast in this music, just know that I give it's mind blowing as well.
Big bags, ride around them big bags. Get the hustler in this bitch, jugging hard to make it stack. I'ma set it hard for my come up. Lame nigga, shut up. Y'all was hating from the jump, but now it's time to cut up. I get money with my real friends. Fuck a nigga in his feelings, cause I want my ends. My mama told me since day one, you niggas were my friends. I was sucking ticks to tell me what the hate for. Is you crying in your coffee cause of Flint show? You wasn't a team player, where was my dough? I'm out here chasing paper, you out here chasing hoes. Bitches over money ain't the way the game go. Money over bitches, you can't say the same though. I'm a money getting nigga, check my net worth. I'm a well-connected nigga, high net worth. I stay in fly shit the way my check work. Bitch, yeah. I stay in fly shit the way my check work. I'm a money getting nigga, check my net worth. I'm a well-connected nigga, high net worth. Bitch. For the hustle in the motherfucking building.
We back. Smoking with Flint show, man. This SKBKA bird flu, man. Avian influenza, you know what it is, though. This COVID takeover. But they back in the building. Not just Flint. We got Simone the Lyricist is in the building.
What up?
Michigan's finest.
You know it, Flint the Hustler in the bitch.
From all angles is in the house with me. I'm loving what's going on right now. So listen.
Flint the Hustler in the bitch.
Flint the Hustler is in this.
In a bitch.
Simone the Lyricist.
Simone the motherfucking lyricist.
They both in a bitch.
In a bitch.
So listen, let me understand something now. I hear a lot going on in the record. I hear a lot that's going on. Now is this just music or is this some real shit going on behind these things?
Everything in real life.
Everything, everything. the struggle to the come up, I tell it. I keep it real.
I understand, because I see the O's is making a name for themselves. You know, it's some females. I started out proud of their career choices. You feel what I'm saying? And I think that's some of what I heard in your lyrics, Simone. That you started out proud of some of the career choices of these females, but somewhere along the line they just took a turn. What is it? They selling ass now? Is that what we doing?
Selling ass instead of selling the motherfucking tracks.
No logic, no mental behind it. It's just let me show you some thigh cap muscle.
No substance.
Damn.
Thought bodies.
And then we turn around and I mean, you is out here networking, Flint. I see you.
I'm jugging like a motherfucker out here, dog. I got all the connections, dog. All the connections.
You out here talking to a lot of people, man. Now what? I mean, listen, we taptoed and tiptoed around it a little bit on the last episode when I was on the show. But I mean, let's just call a spade, man. Why they not letting nobody get no shine over there, man?
Cause we winning and they losing and they trying to figure out how to win. That's the end of this shit, man. Cut my motherfucking show off, bruh.
It's his show, so I gotta go.
Cut my shit off, bruh.
We gotta go. He said we gotta go.
Cut my shit off, bruh.
Simone the lyricist, SKBK Bird.
We out this bitch.
You know what it is, though.
Yeah, you know, Flint Da Hussela pack. You feel me? I ain't went no motherfucking where. You did. I'm out here chilling, grinding. You feel me? You feel me? Hey, look. New things in the motherfucking making. You feel me? I shook them haters off me. Big shout out to Gucci, man. You know what I'm saying? New 1017. You feel me? The Hustle Entertainment is on some reinventing they stuff like that. That's how I'm doing my shit. You feel me? I got bangers for y'all to check out. I need y'all to, you know, let me know how that sound. Since this is Flint Da Hussela, how that sound show, you feel me? Number one, you feel me? Hey, the host with the most. If you don't believe it, you can meet my toast. Straight the fuck up. Yeah, straight the fuck up. Hold on, let me get up into another motherfucking track. Somebody just told me they can't hear me really. What's that? Ain't did this in a while by Flint Da Hussela.
Rick, and Thaddeus on the beat.
Flint Da Hussela on the lyrics, nigga. Niggas wanna play, till I get the bending blocks and bring that shit they way. Then they hide their hands and shut their mouth, nothing to say. I fuck up they day. Hide and seek the freeze tag. Let's do we wanna play. 1, 2, 3, 4, leave a nigga with a peephole. Shoot that nigga in his peephole. Beef ain't new, I did this before. Bitch, don't make me pull a kick though. Bitch, I'm heated, ready for war. Catch me out like I am the stove. I keep something ready to blow, you know. With the kickback, come through, fuck up, little kickback. Hit you up and you know it ain't no get back. When a nigga turn up, better get back. Where the stash at? Lil Stewie say, show me where the cash at. Before he starts smacking niggas where they hats at. And leave a nigga on his back where his ass at. Don't you know you can get killed on your birthday? We been working in these streets, making blood cake. Lil' bro said, fuck friends, cause you're all fake. And that's what it is, rest in peace. So sad or great. I know I act like I don't, but I can see the hate. I know I act like I'm deaf, but I can hear the snakes. I know y'all niggas think I'm broke, but Flint be getting cake. I know y'all niggas think y'all better, but y'all really ain't. Cash all in my pocket, cash up in the bank. I'ma talk cash shit, talk my shit to your face. I've been doing it for a while, y'all just mad that y'all came. Cause our pockets broke, with no cash in the bank. Yeah, I'ma talk my shit. Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. I ain't did this in a while, so I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. Yeah, I'ma talk my shit. Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. I ain't did it in a while, so I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. Flint the motherfucking hustling in this motherfucking, you already know how I be doing it. I be talking my shit. If you don't like it, you can suck my motherfucking dick. On God, nigga, that's just how I'm rocking. You already know. Peep this like 40 on my side, I'm down the ride. Tell me where to slide. All up in the nigga hood. Pussy boy won't come outside. Fuck extended clips, I make him drip from the hollow tip. Walk up on him, get the squeeze, and now I know he dead as shit. I got no feelings for a hoe with no benefits. I'm only loving on the money. I can never trust a bitch. I done had enough of being broke. Let's switch the shit to rich. Let's switch from Wally World to Mall. When Flint decide to buy a bitch. Shoot a nigga in the club, wake up the head, eggs and grits. They ask me why I'm so blunt, cause I never gave a shit. They never take me serious, not even at the dealership till I signature print. And they see how much money I spent. Yeah, I'ma talk my shit. Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. I ain't did this in a while, so I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. Yeah, I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. I ain't did this in a while, so I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. Yup. Motherfucking right. I ain't did it in a while. I'ma talk my shit. It's Flint Da Hussela in this bitch, and I'ma talk my shit. Goddamn right. You feel me? I'm not working on anything, but I'm working on some things. You feel me? Like shit. Like this motherfucking podcast show right here, Flint Da Hussela, How That Sound Show. Number 1, you feel me? How did that sound? You feel me? Thank you, baby, for letting me know the volume is on point right now. You feel me? I'm new at this with this new phone. You feel me? But I'm off topic right now. I'm just talking my shit like I always do. Shout out to my motherfucking crew, DHE, The Hustler Entertainment. You know how we be rocking. You feel me? Shout out to all them broke niggas who be talking about I'm broke, nigga. I ain't broke, nigga. If I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke from spending shit to flex on you broke niggas. Hold on, cause we ain't even, that's big business right there, you feel me? Check out this. Flint Da Hussela in the motherfucking building. I'm presenting this motherfucking Blockwork Entertainment DHE collabo. BK Bird flew in the building. No Name in the motherfucking building. And Simone the motherfucking lyricist is in the building. Get at it.
Slide through the building, tell a pussy nigga shut up. Money on his head made him put his own bread up. I swear these new model cars got me fed up. I could fit about 3 bodies in that old Buick Electra. Walk up in the dealership and view the Tesla. Gift to myself for a summer moving extras. My baby, listen, I think your anger might be misdirected, but keep bugging, I'ma spray you with this disinfectant. They would raid, we would scatter from the sticky weapon. Guess that's why they call the shit the trap. Get the message, get the flexing in my section, and we gripping weapons. Throwback yoppers with the coolers and compressors. Hope you weren't aware that you was fooling with a veteran. Little boy, I done seen your mama naked. Now fall in line. No time for insubordination on the guala grind. That could lead to losing what you treasure. For pressure applied on the daily when I wake up, I measure the amount of cake I have by the haters that I shake off. Meet me in the kitchen, shit. Let's have a bake off. The biscuits of luscious fiends love how they flake off. See, you ain't never gotta wonder why the paper constant. Same reason why these other niggas flagrant fouling.
Big pointed good when a nigga style. Smoking best up in the wood when a nigga clouded. Put a work up in the hood, you know how he sounded. Put the work up in the hood like I'm a co-founder. You don't know about them rich niggas. All you know about is bitch niggas. Fuck you know about them bricks, nigga. Got them Glocks with them sticks in it. Thick bitch at the spot with the bricks in it. Whipping over stove, I'm stick shift. Turn 2 into a 3, it's a big business. Your homie broke, he a broke nigga. Gave him 9 piece, I'm really tryna fuck with him. But I don't really fuck with fuck niggas. And I don't really fucking trust niggas. Fuck with my money, then it's gonna be pressure time. When it's pressure time, then it's gonna be homicide. When it's homicide, then it's gonna have your mama crying. Bricks on bricks, motherfucker, I'm trying to get mine. 4 or 5 spots, I'm trying to decide. Take over the city, fast forward, ain't no rewind. Bring them choppers, cause it's war time. Catch them slipping, monkey nuts, hit the flow time. I just ordered 20 keys, now it's snow time. Gotta connect Johnny Depp when it's blow time.
Gotta connect Johnny Depp, bitches, blow time. My head is stole water with bitches, go time. Don't want no problems with my team or it's showtime. Wanna set up in my hood, you gotta pay mine. Oh yeah, my nigga, we gon' hit you with that 4-5. Or a 40 or a 9 or that 5 on 5-6. Hit a nigga like we tryna hit a lick. But in reality, just know, bitch, I'm about my chips. Had it for sell, a nigga said he needed for his whip. I said I need the bread, so nigga just come with my chips. Oh, yo, bitch ain't gon' have no funds, I'm shooting shit. I need to lighten up this drum. From 100 to a 70, that's so much fun. But if I aim in your direction, then you better run. You better run, bitch. Double drum, what I'm talking about. Hey, when you see it coming, shut your mouth. Had a lot of hating bitches
Yo, that was big business. That was a block work DHE collabo. You had Flint on the motherfucking intro. You had SK, BKA, Bird Flew on the first verse. No Name on the second verse. Simone the motherfucking lyricist on the third verse. To end that motherfucker, murdered that shit. Detroit style beat, Michigan in this building, Midwest connection with Chicago, Michigan, Milwaukee type shit. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with the Bucks. We get money over here. I don't know what the fuck y'all on. How that sound? This is Flint Da Hussela, How That Sound show number 1. How the fuck did that sound? Please tune in and let me motherfucking know. So I know that was some fire ass shit right there, you did. I know it was some motherfucking fire. And if you said it wasn't fire, you a motherfucking lie. Cause that shit was fire as a motherfucker. You did. Today is Friday. It is the 4th of September. Yeah, it's the 4th of September 2020. It's Labor Day weekend. This motherfucker is first Friday. We gonna turn the fuck up. You feel me? We ain't through, cause we still got some more shit. You feel me? That was a motherfucking exclusive I just played. Y'all just don't even really know that. That was a motherfucking exclusive. From now on, what I'm playing on this motherfucking list for this How That Sound shit is motherfucking exclusive. You hear me? It's in my phone. I got it. It's in my phone. You feel me? Shit. Man. Y'all chilling and shit in the pandemic and shit. Like y'all living y'all life, or y'all letting this pandemic shit keep y'all in the motherfucking house and start having fun and stop living y'all motherfucking life and getting to that bag. Cause it ain't stopped me from getting to that motherfucking bag. I've been out here getting these motherfucking racks. You hear me? I've been getting them motherfucking racks. Hey, look, bitch, look. My bills paid. My child support paid. My kids good. My queen good. I'm good. We fresh to death. We fly to the motherfucker on some broke nigga shit, but we fly to the motherfucker. You feel me? And niggas be hating it, and then I hit them with that motherfucker.
Baby.
Bitch, it's Flint. 7-5 with the scat tip. 4-5 with the hollow pack. Okay, I got it. 75 with the scat pack. 45 filled with hollow tips to blow your shit back. 40 cal little Stewie really ain't got no kickback. I don't really want your hoe. You can have that bitch back. Come get your bitch back. I've been rolling big blunts, so that good gas. I've been getting to the cash, I'm talking big bag. I've been dripping lots of swag, come from poppin' tags. Now send me all the way up, I see y'all stupid mad. What happened to that doing good, now y'all down bad. I should cry a couple tears, shit be all sad. Strapped up on the stage, laying the hype man. I know I really can't dance, but that's a hype man. I can't be doing too much, cause I be piped up. If a nigga look at me wrong, I like to night up. Think about the shit in my pocket, what I'ma fight for. You think it's tough to try me, little fella, I take it life, bruh. With the hollow tips, 4-5, nigga, 75 with the scat pack, 75. I'm the big bad wolf. I don't huff, but I puff. Now I blow your shit down. Let's do we say fuck with me now. I be jugging nigga in and out of town on my football shit, nigga. You running out of bounds. I done left a dead body, kill the king and get the crown. You should look up to me. I'm too up for you to look down. But if you talk down, I'ma hit you with the rundown. Man, I ain't gonna be talking. You gon' be hearing that gun sound. Shit gon' get the spark and white folk won't let it chalk down. I am not the one, so watch how you talk, clown. Shit finna get real. Don't wanna get fucked up, then don't step out on the field. Cause the sister shit you want to get your stupid ass killed. All for the thrill, everything revolves around the bill. I'm out to get mine, ain't no future in your front, no one gon' take mine. And it be the bloodbath, cause I'm shooting by mine. You won't never catch me out without toting that eye. I'm always out solo, dolo, toting that eye. If you fuck with me, my nigga, just know that you be down. Be down, be down. It's Flint, it's Flint.
It's Flint. Flint the Hustler is back. I ain't even gonna lie to you, yo. You listening to the Flint the Hustler, how that sound show #1, you feel me? I really need to hit up somebody and get me some motherfucking weed, you feel me? Because I ain't got no motherfucking weed to smoke on, you feel me? But let me speak on some shit real quick. 'Cause I got some shit coming. The Smoking with Flint show will be back. That's the Smoking with Flint, no G, no H, SMOKIN, WITFLINT, SHOW. Go check out my motherfucking website, flintdahustler.com. FLINTDAHUSSELA.com. Go check me out, yo. For real. Listen, I got a new artist that I'm finna put on the motherfucking scene under the DHE, you feel me, regime. Call me Zay. Call me Zay. I'm finna have him drop some shit, and I'm gonna drop that shit real quick. I ain't gonna waste no motherfucking time with it, you feel me? Once we get the ball rolling, we're gonna get the ball rolling. I got some more shit coming on, too. I just gotta give y'all this shit piece by motherfucking piece. Can't give y'all too much at once, cause y'all some hating ass motherfuckers. Shout out to the real niggas who don't hate, but congratulate, you feel me? Cause all we do around this bitch is celebrate. Nothing but W's for the whole team. When I see you win, I love that shit. Keep winning, my niggas. My day one niggas already know. I ain't never been no motherfucking hater. I help niggas shine even when I can't shine, you feel me? Cause we a team. So when one motherfucker ball, we all ball. That's how the fuck I feel even when I ain't got no motherfucking money in my pocket. This the How That Sound show. Tell me how did that 7545 by Flint the motherfucking Hustler sound to you motherfuckers? You did? Two. Tell me the truth. I wanna know. Keep it real with me, bitch nigga. Don't be fake, little hoe. Let's get into this next track. Some on the motherfucking lyricists, Cash Down. Fuck with it.
I pay my own bills, I buy my own weed, I drive my own cars. Real bitches know what I mean. I said I cash out. I buy this, I buy that, into the cash out. I'm a ball till I fall, now watch me cash out. It be all on the broad, don't bring my cash out. I done ran me a check, I'm talking cash now. Man, fuck a bad bitch, bring me a cash down. And I'ma milk that little bitch like she a cash cow. I ain't playing, real bitch know what I'm saying. Every move that I make be so precise, just like a weighing. If you think you want my time, show me the cash, cause it's a paying. Gotta pay just like you weigh, ain't got no bread, then I ain't staying. All I know is run it up, got my burner tucked, in case a nigga wanna get the acting like a punk. And my nigga got some shit up off in the trunk. Might think it's Christmas by the way we light it up. Now you gone and your family home light is up. I'm in the mall, everything I grab, I buy it up. In the zone, don't forget that you expired up. Bitch, I'ma right do what I say about the light of blunt. Got me a cash out and a cash cow. Erica, baby boo, and the Suzanne now. Get the bread, bring it back, who got the plan now? And my niggas loyal to niggas hands down. Into the pocket, cause they know I need my cash now. I take a trip so I can take it to my stash house. No interceptions on my way, you better back down. The motherfucking lyricist, yeah, I'ma cash out. I pay my own bills, I buy my own weed, I drive my own cars. Real bitches know what I mean. I said I cash out. I buy this, I buy that, into the cash out. I'm a ball till I fall, now watch me cash out. It be all on the broad, don't bring my cash out. I done ran me a check, I'm talking cash now. Man, fuck a bad bitch, bring me a cash doll. And I'ma milk that little bitch like she a cash cow.
Ooh, ooh, ah. It's Flint the Hustler in this motherfucker, you feel me? Flint the Hustler in the motherfucking building. I am the motherfucking man, you understand? That was Simone, the motherfucking lyricist, and that was Cash Dow. You feel me? Cash Dow. You feel me? She say, I pay my own bills, I buy my own. Real bitch know what I mean. I got cash out. I buy this, I buy that. Till my cash out. I'm a ball till I fall. Don't bring my cash out. It'll be all on the bro. Some shit like that. I don't even know, man. That shit goes stupid dummy hard. This is the Flint Da Hussela How That Sound show. Y'all need to start letting me know how that shit sound. You feel me? Because I know that shit got to be sounding some kind of motherfucking hot. Block burners, street bangers, club hits. We the shit over here at DHE. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I never gave a fuck. I'm all about my butt. Yeah, I'm down on my luck. I changed up, came up, game up. I never gave a yeah. I was doing bad. Everything I had. Slip to the money. Get me a bag. Same old bullshit. Listening to Blockade. Rest in peace to my motherfucking bro. So sad. Great. You hear me? A fucking DHE legend. I miss you, bro. Till we meet again, my friend. G the ugly tape for what you claiming. Yeah. I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? Simone the Lyrics is cashed out. Tell me how the fuck you like that shit. How that shit sound. This is the Flint Da Hussela How That Sound show. Now we're gonna get off into this last little track. Then I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here. This is BBB Flint Da Hussela and Simone the Lyricist. Check it out.
Hey, Simone the motherfucking lyricist. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. Hey, bounce that ass, handle your business, bitch. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. Hey, big booty bitches. Hey, bounce that ass, handle your business, bitch. Big booty bitches. Big booty bitches. For some reason, all the booties come to me. Them thick bodies, guess it's time to shoot a movie. All these hoes wanna throw that pussy to me like I got a golden ticket. Willy Wonka is the new me. Yeah, I got a nigga, but I crave a woman's touch. If that body clean, might put a finger in her butt. My nigga like to watch unless the hoe gon' give it up. Big dick up in the yeah, I know he filling up her gut. No limit to the extras, long as all the ass is right. And if you know your place, might put you on the team for life. My nigga got the plan, bring funds and we gon' get you right. The way I turn you on, it's got you thinking that you might. We the money team, baby, we the money team. Cause galore, but we still out here chasing green. Down to the floor, the pedal on that charger thing. Straight to the store, and you know I'm buying everything. Cause I got it, baby, yeah, I got it. You like to hit the stores, or you just like popping bottles. Pretty face on it, big girl, but I prefer dating the models. I can have my preference, cause I keep money in my pocket. Big booty bitches, hey, bounce that ass, handle your business, bitch. Big booty bitches, big booty bitches, hey, big booty bitches, hey, bounce that ass, handle your business, bitch. Big booty bitches, big booty bitches.
Big booty bitches shaking ass, they don't give a fuck. Some of them about their business, tryna pay tuition. Just had a baby, gotta provide for all the children. Some of them fuck for money, get no fuck about your feelings. Just give her the money. Dark chocolate, Milky Way or Snow Bunny. They offer for the money. I don't care how bad she is, still can't get nothing from me. But dick up in her mouth and lots of ramen in her tummy. Big booty, I be on the bitches. What we talking about? My queen be pulling bitches. We don't want no broke booty, slapping or stank coochie. Point me to the bitches with the bag and the big booty. I don't want it if it ain't clean and real juicy. She ain't gotta be a dime, she just gotta be a cutie. Baby already say she down to shoot a freaky movie. Big booty bitches, so we gon' shoot a freaky movie.
Flint Da Hussela in this bitch. And that was BBB, Big Booty Bitches. Flint Da Hussela and Simone the Lyricist. This is the Flint Da Hussela How That Sound Show, number 1. Tap in, let me know how that sound. If you can, check out the whole damn fucking show and tell me how all them shit sound. One by one. Put the name of the song, and then, you know, the first song was Big Bag. Second song, Ain't Did This in a While. Third song, Big Bag. Fourth song, 7545. Fifth song was Cash Down. Last song was BBB. Comment on all of them. Let me know what they rate 1 to 10. How that sound, your opinion. If you don't like it, tell me why the fuck you don't like it. If you do like it, tell me why the fuck you do like it. You feel me? But first things first, most things important. Share my motherfucking link. Please share the motherfucking link so everybody can tap in and let me know how the fuck this shit sound. You hear me? Because this is the Flint Da Hussela How That Sound Show, number 1. Remember that. I'm on all platforms with it too. Spotify, iHeart, Deezer, Apple, YouTube. Check me the fuck out. Flint Da Hussela. And shout out to DHE Da Hussela Entertainment, because this is the DHE Da Hussela Entertainment station for the podcast shit. You feel me? Back on my live shit. Let's see how much more these haters gonna hate, because I'ma still wake in the motherfucking cake. I don't even try to start. It just happened. You feel me? I'ma let this song ride me the fuck out, and I'm just listen to this shit. And just, you know what I mean? So I drop the next motherfucking How That Sound. I don't know. I might do this shit every day. I could do this shit every day. I probably should do this shit every day. Let me know. Somebody let me know. You feel me? Should I do this every day? I need motherfuckers to send me some songs, though, to play on the How That Sound Show. You feel me? Send that shit to, I think it's FDH How That Sound Show at gmail.com or something like that. I don't know. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just send me some tracks over to SMOKINWITFLINT at gmail.com. Smoking with Flint, no G, no H, at gmail.com. You feel me? And I'll play your shit on the motherfucking what's the name, you feel me, on the How That Sound Show, you feel me, so people can let you know how your shit sound, you feel me, and we're gonna get it together. And this was a nice ass episode, and I appreciate y'all time and y'all most like focused attention. And I hope y'all tune in. Let me know how that sound, and if I should keep doing this shit. If y'all want to hear it every day, like I say, send me them motherfucking tracks so I can play that shit on here. You feel me? Smoking with Flint at gmail.com. That's SMOKINWITFLINT at gmail.com. I'm Flint Da Hussela. Peace.